So in this lesson, you will be learning how to factor quadratic expressions in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So example number 1. So let's factor x squared minus 3x minus 18. So the method you had seen last time is using the x method, wherein from this x squared minus 3x minus 18, we have identified that the coefficient of x squared, which is in this case 1, is a, and then negative 3 is b, and then negative 18 is c. So in our factoring method for this kind of quadratic expressions, we indicate the C here and B down here. And C is for the product and B is for the sum. So from the given x squared minus 3x minus 18, which one is C? So yeah, that is correct. C is negative 18. And then which one is B? Definitely, it is negative 3. And remember that we're going to be writing factors here. So factors of negative 18. And we will get the factors of negative 18. That will give us a sum of negative 3. So two conditions must be met. Multiply to negative 18 and add up to negative 3. So think about what are those two numbers that's going to give us negative 18 and a product of negative 3. Okay, so yes, we have negative 6 times positive 3, not negative 3. So when we multiply negative 6 by 3, we'll get an answer of negative 18. So this will give us negative 18. And if we're going to add them, negative 6 plus 3 will get equals to negative 3. So we have met these two conditions. We got negative 18 for this product, and we have negative 3 for the sum. So once we have found the pair of numbers that met these two conditions, those numbers, we're going to have them on the sides of our x method. So negative 6 and then positive 3. And writing out the factors, so we have for the factors of x squared, that would just be x multiply by x, and then the numbers that we found right here, negative 6 and 3, will have minus 6, and then plus 3. And these are the factors of x squared minus 3x minus 18.